Hello. Welcome guys, welcome everyone. Good morning. How are you doing out there? And good evening. Happy Friday times. What's up fellas? How do you enjoy your day? Good afternoon, welcome chat, welcome. Wow. Great to see you. Last day of the week. But definitely not the last opportunity to become better at trading and continue our lovely journey. Hope you're having a great time. Good morning, welcome guys. So let's just go ahead and share the video. Do it guys. All the trading groups, pretty much everywhere. We are live. And we got 4 giveaways. We're good to go. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Like the video and be subscribed. There you go. Market's getting ready for the breakout. We're sitting around the 40s. Breakout of the current week structure. We got some news, but they're gonna be at 10 a.m. EST time. So that's in an hour and 40 minutes. We got the Michigan numbers, consumer sentiment, they're important. Speaking about rat folder news. Hope you got a lovely day, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Guten Tag. Good morning. Watching the price section closely. Obviously, this is a place where bears are in control for the moment. Anything above the 40s has been totally rejected for the moment. So what are we gonna trade today? Well, Ticktick Trader Top 1 Futures and our Savius accounts. Hello, great to see you guys. One of our members, I've seen it recently in our trading group, got paid from Savius. He said Savius came through and in under 18 hours too. So less than 24 hours he got paid on Rise. Great job, buddy. Best part is you can request during the trading session after you have met the requirements. Beautiful. 60% off for the Savius. There is a video on my channel. Here's the link. You can only see the accounts by having an account right there. Oktoberfest starts soon. You're getting ready for the festival. Cheers, everyone. You're not gonna have a tea right there, just like I have it. Certainly not. Careful with the numbers you have on the festival. We're having a green tea, a Japanese green tea right now. I obviously drink about close to 1 liter a day. Every day. I'm gonna stream even at 90, like the Japanese old folks, running at 90, doing sports, and having a good time. So I'm planning to stream another 60 years. If you guys are ready for that, we got a deal. We're not gonna break it. 10 accounts right here on the Ticktick Trader. We got our first point yesterday with good numbers. 965 on this accounts and 1,500 on the other group. Basically, yesterday we had a day 15 out of 15 accounts traded on 3 prop firms, across 3 prop firms, all profitable. and no surprises. Extremely... Oh, if you're asking about the tea, no sugar, no milk, nothing in the green tea, just purely as it is. It's a very good quality tea. It needs nothing else. For the milk, we go for the British type of teas, but I'm not doing those anymore. Good morning, guys. Welcome. You definitely want to join our Discord. I gotta take care about that review website I was talking to you 4 months ago. I gotta finish that. Take a short break, buddy. That's a good idea, I'm telling you. Take a short break and get back stronger. Think about the things that made the difference, that brought you in the situation, and interiorize that, right? So give yourself time to interiorize what generated this outcome. Once you interiorize it, you have more chances to avoid it next time. It's not 100% success rate of avoiding it. I'm telling you from my experience and from what we all know. But you got more chances. And this is how education is built, guys. Education cannot be built in a hurry. Education cannot be built when you are trading back and forth non-stop, losing an account, buying once again, pushing it even harder. That's certainly not going to function. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you. Education needs time. Performance needs time. You know, one of the biggest problems is on the expectancies. People got the wrong expectancies most of the time in terms of their performance. It has to be in some way on a specific time, otherwise it's not working. How do you define under what time frame circumstances do you have to be successful as a starter or as what is it happening out there? We don't have any news. I don't see anything red folder here. But the market is shaking. Look at that. The market is shaking. It has to be dynamic. Make sure to like the video. Like and subscribe for the giveaway. It starts soon. Look at that. Bitcoin above 115 grand, preparing for the FOMC. We got all the way back into the daily opening touch on the 28th and quickly recovering. You know the markets are pretty tight at this moment.
Order filled.
Testing out a little long here.
Order filled.
You know, I would be happy with 525. Let's see if we can get it. 4 points from here. I would certainly be happy with that. Good morning. Markets are pretty spicy here at the top. Look at that. Wow. Stop loss is going to be right at the end. I'm going to long something here on my top 1 futures.
Order filled.
$5.25 and I'm out. Because I don't need more for consistency. These are the new Ignite accounts that I made a video about. On top 1 futures, and on the other side we trade basically the Ticktick trader, where we got an entry at the top. This is a pretty powerful pressure from the bears. I don't like it. I don't like it for the Ticktick trader trade that I have, and it's more comfortable here for the top 1 futures. We got the exit on 39. It's not good for... But this can nicely surprise us back into the 40s. Order book is thin once again. Prepare for some choppiness from what we see at the moment. Prepare for some fake breakouts. Look at that. We got all the way into the daily VWAP. We want to see how the daily opening on the 28 holds for the 5-minute. But that daily VWAP has been touched and the market's quickly bounced. Right, so prepare for something like this. Wicks above, getting denied. Having some 15-20 points upside, switching back. This kind of nonsense.
Order filled.
Adding 1 more contract to this here. And over here as well, adding 1
Order
more
filled.
contract. I am very aggressive, looks like. One more
Order
contract
filled.
here on the top 1 futures. We have the maximum daily loss at 1,000. And we only need about 500 for the target. I didn't have the best entries out there. Good morning, welcome guys. Thank you for joining. Make sure to like the video. We've got 4 giveaways scheduled. That's a big deal. This is pretty decent out here on a 27 previous temporary low. Wouldn't be difficult to take it all the way into 33. Look at that, guys. This is not looking good. If it's not getting protected here, and for some reason we got the selling pressure stepping out. Hey, welcome everyone. Good morning. We have 6 accounts of this Ignite. We're only copy trading 2 at the moment. We're going to connect the other 2. The other 4 actually. Morning, guys. I don't like this. Specifically, I don't like this. You know, we're gonna get stopped out at the 1000. If that hits, we're gonna get stopped out there. But specifically, I don't like it for my Ticktick trader account performance. What a silly price action. The green candle is gonna come quite soon. I know that. The green pressure is going to come quite soon out of this situation. It's just a matter of risk management for me. Let's go. Join our Discord, fellas. You have it right there in the chat. Like the video and be subscribed to participate in the giveaway. It starts a little bit later. 4 giveaways. Ready to fly into 33 with this impulse. If it's not stop here at the 28, that's what we got to cross. 28. Come on. This 1 minute candlestick. Gotta close with strength. Gotta do it. Beautiful so far. 3 seconds. 2 seconds to go. Keep going. Looks fine. I'm happy with that closing. $5.20 and we exit. That's totally fine. We just got to get it. Good evening right there. Oh my god, look at the price section. Rubbish. What a silly rubbish price section. If that's the way it's going to be the whole day. Oh my god. Beautiful. Keep going. It almost touched my target. What on earth just happened? What on earth just happened there? 1 tick. 1 tick away. 32.5. 1 tick away, gentlemen. I'm gonna put my stop loss on my entry. Look at that.
Order filled.
There you go. Beautiful. 1 tick away from hitting the target of the day on the profit. And we got stopped out on break even. Beautiful, guys. Here's our Ticktick trade. We nearly had the fireworks. We're fine on the 5 minute. We're on the daily opening. I wouldn't be surprised to see some strength from here. Even though that might end its pressure around 37. Going for a local internal high right there on the 37. Right? Wouldn't be surprised for that. But there should be some zigzag volatility game here. That's the way it looks like up to the moment. So certainly I am
Order
backing
filled.
along here for the top 1 futures. We're copy trading 2 accounts here.
Order rejected.
Maximum position exceeded, so you can only have 4 minis on the top 1 futures, 50,000 Ignite accounts, 4 minis. Which means you need 7-8 points. Stop loss is going to be break even, guys. This is looking good for the moment. Keep going. Our target is about to be touched right there. Oh my God, look at that, guys. This is so silly. You cannot even imagine. I'm adding some more on my Ticktick.
Order filled.
Added some more on my Ticktick. I believe there's going to be another green candle. This one that we just opened. I believe this is going to be green. Let's see. If this is green, the top 1 futures target will be touched, of course. So let's see if we get the momentum above. For the first time in the 1 minute, we actually broke the structure on the 29.28. Let's see if this is valid. Come on.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Look at that, guys. 509. So we touched the target here. And then I care about this one because I'm about to save this trade. That was terrible. I'm about to do some partial exits here. Do not blame me for exiting here. It might come back. Look at that. Might not even have time to get out. We're going for the 3rd green candle in a row. Keep going. I
Order
sold 5
filled.
contracts right there. I had to do it. Oh my God, this was so close to touching the profit. It is what it is, guys.
Order filled.
And look at that. We got out 165 loss, but we managed to recover this trade somehow on the Ticktick. This is no problem. 165 loss. I'm gonna run a show here with the fireworks. It's worth it. What about right now? Now? Good. Beautiful. We're back in business. Thank you guys for letting me know. So we managed to reach the 2nd day here for the Ignite accounts. 2 accounts copy traded on the top 1 futures. 2nd day, that's fine. And the place I care about right now is my Ticktick. We were so close hitting that target. You gotta say again, boom. There you go. Thank you guys. We touched that. Good target. And we were so close here with that damn little push. Needed about extra point. Wasn't delivered. They're watching my stream. They're hunting my targets. It's clear to me. Got no question about it. It's clear, guys. You can't surprise me with any arguments. You can't deny my predetermined thoughts, and you can't change my bias. It's over. If I set my take profit on 39, market reverses from 38.75. This is going higher, right? That's the way it looks. It's going back into the 40s. I'm not able to game the system. Come on. Prove yourself. Take this one into the 50s and then dump it back. That's the price action I want to see. Science fiction. Like the video, guys. Be subscribed. We got 4 giveaways. Yesterday we had 4, today we got 4. What's wrong with me? Trading the Ticktick trader accounts. The straight to funded plus. Here's the link, by the way, for those of you that care about. The profit score system is exciting, really exciting, with the points needed to be earned. We just got into a decent level here. I cannot short this. I'd love to have a 25, 26 touch, maybe 24, and long it from there. But I don't think we get gift. Correct, Badger. We're gonna slow down next week. We just have more accounts because we were in holidays. We're having more accounts to share, but we're gonna slow down. Yeah, 8 drowned. You gotta do something with your duck. You gotta get ready. You gotta take care about. Bring it to the gym. Have a regime. Some guys never pick the right number, let alone winning the race. You got less than 20% chance hitting the number. Abu got his accounts. He's busy trading. He's busy making money. You gotta live the moment. And get angry if you're not winning. Right? Some people get angry, others are not. Depends on your culture. So, that good stuff. I might be the one. You never know. Somehow. Slowly grinding. And then it flushes. So if you short, This is gonna grind forever. If you're long, this is gonna nosedive. It's that type of a market. Watch me doing nothing, guys. Watch me explaining and speaking about trading, about the world, about life, about anything that makes it exciting and educational. Yeah. Gotta fix that, get ready that review website with the prop firms. Gotta make some new review videos about firms. Even though I'm not trading with all of them, I'm gonna present you and share with you guys. Our community wants to increase, so we're gonna reach out to more audiences. Because people need to be guided in the right way. Come on. This is a price section that I definitely do not enjoy. I don't know about you guys, but this is something that is not giving me any form of confidence longing it. Because the selling pressure steps out of the woods. Any minute, any second, I press the green button. If you want to see that, I'm going to do a single contract long, and then the market dumps. So if I do a single contract long, you can short the markets and you make money. There you go. Keep climbing. So you drive more and more FOMO. The 4-hour candlesticks are looking extremely good, guys. All-time highs around 68. We're about 26 points away. Early September, when the markets were trading at 23 100s, 23 300s, 400s. So in this first leg to the downside, right there, when the markets were trading there, media, a lot of the traders, influencers, or whatever, technical guys, started screaming about this is a clear lower high, right? So we have a lower high structure. They brought up RSI. They brought up all sorts of momentum indicators that were presenting extremely overbought. And that it's over. It's apocalyptic. It's over. So then look what happened. There you go. Not that simple, right? Yeah, my targets would have hit correct. The theory and the execution was fine. It's just that we wanted to be on the safe side. And we went break even. Without a break even, market goes back to the highs and hits your targets sometimes. The problem is that it's just sometimes, and that's uncertain, so you definitely have to eliminate the sometimes into a form of certainty. Converting. That's what we're trying to do, guys. Converting an uncertain environment into certainty. That's what we're trying to do. Look at that. This is still grinding. Till a fat finger comes in. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Look at that. We should see if we can do some charity for December 2025 with this kind of cups from Ticktick Trader. We should see if we can organize something. I'm going to reach out to Ticktick Trader fellas and see if we could do something with our community right there. Finger on the trigger. Let's take this one back into the 5 minutes. Yeah. So you guys will be able to grab this kind of cups as a charity event, and all the resources would go in a place you guys decide. We'll have to see if we can organize that. Yeah, so the markets need to get into that 45.50s and attack that level, which is why I'm gonna...
Order filled.
I'm gonna get some aggressiveness here for a microscope. 3 points.
Order filled.
3 points needed. 2 points from here. Come on. Bring it on. I'm also gonna set my copy trader for the Top 1 Futures other accounts that we had. Other Ignite accounts, so which are the ones? 73 into 96. There you go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Ready here as well for 4 accounts that we're doing copy trading. $500. Yeah, $500 is my target for the Ignite accounts. Momentum trading and price action. I'm going for the liquidity above 45. There is so much, and that's where the selling pressure should basically get aggressive, not here. That's why I am happy with 46, 47. I am so happy with that. I don't need more, so just about 4 or 5 points here at the top. You don't want to give the chance to the bears to short, basically. There's so much time here for the bears. You're gonna fill up higher. Let's see if this theory is valid or not. I don't like it so far in the way it played out, but now we might change on the flat opening. We got 30 minutes to go. We got that 3 little wicks above on previous candles. Denial and the continuation is missing. It's not an easy trade, certainly not. Extremely happy with Project X Copier in whatever platform I trade. Is delivering perfectly, guys, for me. Haven't had issues and complaints. So they're delivering top-notch service. 44, come on. Just a little more stop loss on my entry here. We gotta do it. You never know what comes in from selling pressure levels.
Order filled.
Come on. We got our stop loss touched here. 40 bucks down.
Order filled.
I think there's gonna be a decent
Order
push.
filled.
And a move back higher. Let's see. Pretty good so far. Pretty good, guys. Stop loss on my entry once again. Keep going, buddy. 2 more points. I'm out
Order
there. I'm
filled.
fine here on the tap on futures. But this is the place I care about. Much more. Because we got 10 contracts. That was 1 tick away, guys. It was 1 tick away on Ticktick Trader. What the... Look at that. 1 tick away. You know, I'm selling
Order
something.
filled. Order filled.
Beautiful. 460. Point has not been completed yet. We still need 40 bucks here, but it's fine. We got it in the right direction. And 327 here as well. It's fine. You know, I was scared holding through. It was quite slow. And that's the reality. But I've been burned in this levels many times. But we're going to run the fireworks. Gentlemen, ladies, applause. Good afternoon. Welcome. Applause, gentlemen. Boom. You don't want to get burned at the top here. Be greedy. Thank you, guys. Come on, like the video, be subscribed, and do your part.
Order filled.
That's all I'm going for.
Order
Come on.
filled.
Beautiful. The target has been touched. The point has been made. 510. There you go. I've been smelling that long. Complete target has been hit on 5 accounts for the top 1 futures. Sorry, for the Ticktick Trader. We got the second point here. Yesterday we made 1 grand, today 500. We're fine. We're in the right direction, guys. This is looking good. And then the other 5 accounts that I also want to set up right here. So the first 5. We made 1,500 yesterday. 500 bucks for today. It's gonna be fine. Not gonna rush for more. Thank you, guys. First time here, great to see you, buddy. I don't know about that swing trading stuff. I'm planning right now to work on the website with reviews of the prop firms and some stuff. So it's gonna come. This price section is still forcing to break that 50s, guys. I need to make here a 180 more. That's all. 180.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna be out on the 50s. Indeed, there is rejection, selling pressure here. But they're gonna attack the quick shorters, early shorters. They're gonna attack them. I need a longer wick. That's what I'm looking for in terms of the price action standards. Yeah, I think my code works at Funded Next. I also have a video about it. You can see it. Funded Next Futures. I made a video in the past about it. Swing trading is a lot easier. That's my bread and butter since 2014 when first I got into Bitcoin. That's from where we live. So I need to go break even pretty tight here. And I'm not gonna be sorry about it. What's the discount? I don't even know, guys, because I'm not using that company. I don't know the offer there. I have no close contact right now with Funded Next Futures. I'm not using that company.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Target has been touched. 526. That's the target of the day. And this is first day here. Copy trading on 4 accounts. Leader plus 3. So we got all the 6. Ignite. Celebration time. Like the video. Come on. All the gunshots. Careful, guys. Put your hands down. Boom. No more trading here. Now it becomes dangerous, right? I'm telling you, it becomes dangerous. I felt the market so far at this point really nicely. But now, time for me to watch this thing a little bit. Hello, great to see you guys. We're getting pretty close to 100 likes. We got 81. I still have to trade my Ticktick trader, the other other 5 accounts, this one's. But there's no place to long it here. I'm sorry about it. We got so far back-to-back days of good profits. So 6 accounts here on the top 1 futures. Complete success, by the way, for those of you that care about watching the accounts that I'm trading right now at the top 1 are the new accounts. Here's the affiliate link. Coupon code is Scramble for the highest discount. Trading is not done. Yeah. So avoid Funded Next if that's not using them because I don't like the company. A lot of the people complained. Not just quantum, we had more people saying that had some shady experiences, which is why I'm not using it. There's much better. Ticktick Trader, Tap One Futures, Savius, the 3 companies that I'm trading deliver you all the services you guys need. So there's much better than, you know, there is the instant funding Ticktick Trader accounts as well as, you know, everything you can imagine about. Good morning, Fernandez. Great to see you. So we got 6 accounts on Tap One Futures, complete profit today. 5 accounts on Ticktick Traders, that's 11. Looking forward trading 5 more. That's going to be 16. And then we have 3 on Savius, which is going to make it up for 19. Depends for the swing trading, you know, I'm speaking about swing trading on the crypto side. Crypto side is wild, right? So crypto side, 10% a month on your balance is not a big deal, guys. Good thing to ask, exactly. There's some people that had some bad experiences raising the red flag for me, and no trading there. No, they got it for futures. Good morning, welcome guys. We're running good profits. And you want to join our Discord too. I want to see Bitcoin quickly on 120,000, guys. I'm so hungry. And Russell 2000 quickly above 430s. 430s. 16 minutes to go. The market opens. Hello. I never trade Forex. And I'm not even planning. The more markets you trade, the more assets, the more indicators requires you better skills, complete understandings and control, guys. So the more you dive deep into, the more difficulties you challenge yourselves. You got to make it as simple as possible and functional. Market's very slow here. You barely get 2 or 3 points. It's not worth the risk. Gold. No, gold is good for swing trading. We might see some retracement from levels close to 4,000 on gold. Careful. Look at that. We got Michigan consumer numbers and inflation expectations, right? In about 45 minutes. That's gonna move the markets up and down. So I am thinking about today we might be pushing the live stream a little more than usually for more and more minutes. Not planning doing the giveaways right now at the opening. We're gonna do the giveaways a little later. Testing out a short here, guys. Watch me. I'm smelling something here. Let's see if it smells good or not. Back into the 40s.
Order filled.
$550 for my exit. Look at that. Back into the 42. 4 points needed. We had a nice flat opening in the 1 minute. Come on. Make sure to like the video, guys. Be subscribed, join Discord. Our giveaways will start a little later on the live stream. First short that I'm testing today. We've been profits with all the longs so far. We got a Michigan numbers at 10 a.m. EST time in about 40 minutes. Those are the red folder news today. If this is not dropping during this moment, I'll be out. I hope they hear me.
Order filled.
Add a little more to this, guys. I'm just going for my target. 555. There you go. Another red candle would actually give me that. 3 points needed from here. Don't be silly. Nah, it's weak. It's weak. I'm
Order
out. I
filled.
sold 4 contracts. I don't like this. This is not a price action that I... Look at that. Nonsense. Sitting out here watching this nonsense without any nerves. Come on. Make that step down. Back into the 40s. You are capable. I'm fully
Order
out.
filled.
125, accepted it. Not a problem. But in my eyes, the bears should have delivered. So I better quit. And looks like I've done a good job by exiting earlier. Thank you, buddy.
Order filled.
Testing out along here.
Order filled.
With the exit close to the 50s. That's my take profit, 285, about 3 points.
Order filled.
2 points from here. Let's see, guys. Looks pretty dangerous.
Order filled.
Now at this fake market. Thank you guys for joining and for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We got 100 likes right now. Two green candles. When this whole thing is changing and the market starts moving a little, I don't need too much anything. It's just gonna hit the target. Probably last 5 minutes before the opening. I'm not really planning to get into the opening with 10 contracts, 10 minis. Not really planning to do so. Bring it into 49 and I'll have an exit there. 49.5, 3 contracts. 0.75, another 3. I'll sell 6 contracts there and I'm gonna leave the rest up for a quick breakout before the opening. Let's see if we can get this. Nah. Oh. We got some pressure down. And then all the way back. There's volatility right now. Market starts coming alive. Thank you guys for joining. That was so close hitting some limit orders. I'm also prepared. Cutting my trade on a market order if needed. Four giveaways today. Thank you guys. We had a green day so far. 6 accounts plus 5, 11 accounts traded green today. Let me set that up. Nah. We missed 6 contracts exit on limit order. I don't like this, guys, anymore, because this is, you know, capable finding easily 10 points down from here. And I'm gonna get my Max loss touch there. Let's see right now what's happening with this candle. What a silly price action, guys. What a silly. Not feeling comfortable at all sitting in this trade. We got some bulls protecting this level, but I don't know if this is sufficient for the moment. 1 minute price action is shady. 5 minute looks nice for a retest on the highs. But you see, we just getting wicks. We just getting wicks. Nah. This is bad. Two minutes to go. I'm sitting in this 10 minis. Look at that, guys. Look at the market here at the top. They're gonna get wild. They're gonna get wild. Come on, bring it up. Likely or very likely, we're going for the all-time high today. I'm holding it. I had no choice here. But I should go for the all-time high if I'm holding it, right? What's the all-time high? 67? 57? What is it? 58? 68? You guys can quickly verify that. What's the all-time high? Less than a minute to go. 68. "30 seconds to go. I'm actively holding this on 10 minutes. I'll have some limit sell on the upside. You know, the problem is I might risk too much here. 10 seconds to go. I'm giving it a go, guys. 4 seconds.
Order filled.
Beautiful. There you go. I'm out.
Order filled.
1,550. Look at that, guys. There you go. Celebration time. That's why they brought it down right before the opening, right? There's no other reason. $1,550. On 5 accounts, so basically we have 16 accounts profitable out of 16 today. It's the second day with 1,500. We got 2 points. And from now, our max loss is not going to move and follow us anymore. So the max loss is going to be on 100,000, and whatever we make right now is going to increase the max loss. Isn't that beautiful, guys? There you go. I had the stop loss. Look at that. So let me just get into my quant tower to trade the savviest accounts. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Look what's happening here for those of you that are still questioning my abilities. 168,000 from 150 grand account, so $18,000, right? You guys know about this accounts. We only have a day traded in September, but you want to see what's happening in August? Well, look at that. This is what happened in August. Make sure to like the video. This is August. And then we go back into September. No, July. July. This is July. So there's no losing days on these 3 accounts that we are working for the payout. No, it wasn't luck. It wasn't fully luck. It was a partial. I'm going to my quant tower for savviest trading. Stick with me, guys. Giveaway is going to start a little bit later. I still have to trade 3 accounts. There you go. Here's the savviest. So we got 3 accounts. And there's some copy trading going on too. On this one, we got a copy trader set up. I got that designing on a designer. Not live yet. I don't want to go live there. Adding 2 contracts here long. We're doing copy trading. Thank you, guys. Markets might get back above 50s if it falls. Still want to get above 50s. But let's see. Not adding more at the moment. There you go. 54.5. Exiting there. Adding a single contract right now. One more. Nah. This is not gonna hold. Let's see, guys. If it breaks that, this is not gonna hold. I sold 2 contracts. Yeah, I do have a stop loss that I'm putting manually. Always. Based on the price action characteristics. So there's no fixed stop loss. Adding one contract here. This is not looking too good. We haven't got anything from that wick on the opening. Short scalper starts exiting above 50, so we gotta take the price there. Yeah. But I'm not sure if we can. Look at that. Tremendous. Adding one more contract here. With a stop loss right there on extremely strict, but this is not going to function. Yeah. This did not function there. Savviest trading did not went out correctly. Moving on to my top one, I have here two more that I want to trade. So we got 2 accounts on Savviest on loss today and 16 on profit. 16 profit, 2 on loss. I want to trade this 128, 14 and 15. This one's. It's above 2,000. It's above 2,000, guys. It's 2,054. I've crossed the hard breach with $54. I messed it up. I crossed this with $54 above the hard breach, which is why you have to... Wow, this is so bad. Which is why you have to set your stop loss like $1,600 away. Because you see, the price action explodes with the spread volatility and you get caught into that. $54. We got 16 to 2 today. So there you go. 16 winners, 2 losses today. Now I'm happy for the Ticktick trader, guys. Very happy. Because I love trading on Ticktick trader. Exactly, Quantum. Let's go bulls from here. You want to see the bulls reacting from here, from the 200 EMA? That's where we stopped. That's where we got stuck. All the way back above 50s. I want to collect more and more points. I got some room here on this account for the Ticktick trader, guys. We are above the point with $1,000. So if we, you know, worst case scenario here, we lose $1,000, we're still going to get our point. I'm thinking about pushing a little more here on this live, because we're already $3,000 on the balance. We make a little more, our max loss is going to increase. And if the price action comes back into, you know, 24,000s, this is an opportunity for a long. Yeah, we got some news out there. I'd like to see how I traded. Good day, everyone. Welcome, guys. So I got an extra $1,000 buffer right now. Thinking about it. I don't want to give it back, but at the same time, as soon as I feel the market, it makes sense to press the pedal. The risks are minimal. Still gonna get my point because I'm not gonna cross 500 bucks profit. And my max loss is not gonna change. Golden pocket is a little bit higher, about 40s. Come on, get back into close to 24,000s. I'm not sure if we get it, guys. This might actually slowly climb. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. So here are the links for the Ticktick trader. Pretty much everywhere you can utilize a coupon code Scrambo. That's the link for the Ticktick trader, what I'm trading right now. Like at this buying pressure coming in. 15 minutes for the red folder news. Might just take us into the all-time high. How is it on the Fed Watch tool? What's happening there? %92 for the 25 basis points. You know, the great part about Ticktick trader is you can nicely do microscoping. Nvidia is holding nicely. S&P is acting a little bit different.
Order filled.
Longing 3 contracts here with the exit slightly higher for a microscope.
Order filled.
Good. The target has been touched, 250 bucks. We got to 1,800, guys. That's beautiful. So we got $1,300 extra above the buffer today of the 500 with the points. That's beautiful. That was a quick scalp on Ticktick Trader, you're allowed to do it. You're allowed to do news trading. You're allowed to do whatever. You just got to do $500 daily for 10 days. That's what you got to do. If you're doing more, it's better for you. So right now we have a drawdown at the end of the day, which is the way the drawdown is calculated, of 3,300 if I leave the account like this. Monday we're going to start with that. But I'd like to make more on the Michigan numbers. And maybe even earlier. That's not a bad point to sell. Giveaways will start after the Michigan numbers. After the news. Like the video, be subscribed. Pretty risky selling. But I think it makes sense at some levels. Under 2 seconds exactly. There's a temporary pressure there, but it's not really sustainable. I'm gonna go on the Michigan numbers. Thank you guys for watching and for joining.
Order
Shorting
filled.
this one here. $255 on the exit. Couple of points down. Come on. Give me that.
Order filled.
Beautiful. The target has been touched. We are up at 2045. Let's do some fireworks. Let's do some fireworks. We made an extra 500. Thank you guys for joining. No, the giveaway did not happen yet. We're gonna start them soon. Look at that pressure. You don't exit out of shorts, it's dangerous. You get quickly knocked out. Look at this, guys. Michigan. Right after, so in about 10, 12, 13, 14 minutes. I'd like to see if I can trade something. So I still have right now, you know, setting my new max loss at 1,000 for this 5 accounts. So I'm willing to risk 1,000 right now. out of the profits I got to make some more because I filled the markets and we've been riding this nicely.
Order filled.
Adding a little long here. Which I'm going for the 48.49. Let's see. Before the market heats up. Nah. We got a daily VWAP here. Around the 22.23. Let's see how does it react. We got some protection for the moment. It holds. Will there be any swing onto that?
Order filled.
I've DCA'd one more contract. Let's see, guys. 6 minutes to go for the news. Six minutes to go. Come on, bring it above 33. That's what you gotta do. Bring it about 33. Let's go. Above 33. Come on. Bring it on. Let's go. Come on. That looks fine. That looks fine. That looks beautiful. Not selling anything yet? We got news in a few minutes, which could take us into all-time high, and I could sit into 4 minis. I'm selling a contract right now, increasing my target. We're going into 96. Stop loss. Break even. We got $2,300 profit. So we collected another $300. I was at 1,500 when I said I'm gonna trade more on this account after hitting all the targets existing, so we are fine here for the moment. 4 minutes to go. Market's heating up. Look at that 5-minute candlestick, guys. We are in a really favorable position. If this is... I'm gonna increase my take profit there. You know, if I'm not making money in this trade, not gonna feel sorry about it, because we got 2,300 and I'm willing to leave this open for the news. That's my strategy. We got already 2,300. It's not an issue, we don't make money here, but it's making sense to make 4,000 if we get to that target, because that's gonna bring a lot of the money in the account and it's gonna make the difference. We got 5,000 out here in the balance. Think about it. Max loss is gonna be $5,000 away. And this is going to be important. If this trade plays out, it's going to help us a lot to get to the payout for the 5 accounts on the Ticktick Trader. Let's go, guys. Keep grinding. Exactly. Two minutes to go. I'm leaving this open, guys. I got nothing to lose, and there's a lot on the table to profit from here. Let's go. Like the video. Come on. Bring it on. I'd love to be around 40s, at least around 40s when the news come out. I don't want to be kicked out by any little volatility and then the market might run. You don't want that. It's not exciting, right? I think that's going to be exactly in the opposite way. If I hit my target, you're going to give me an account, Lamro. Because I'll deserve it, right? Thank you guys for watching, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Last minute to go here. Michigan, you gotta do this. Come on. I mean, whatever you do, I'm fine. Because we got the profit secured. We got a stop loss secured above my entry. And we got a good target there. 4 giveaways. We'll start soon. Greetings, everyone. 4 giveaways will start after the news. 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds. Have a look into that. Come on, Nasdaq. 5 seconds to go. Keep going, buddy. Oh.
Order filled.
Oh. We got touched, but we have 2,400. We're fine with that. That's it, guys. You know, break even has been touched, or we actually made 110. Break even has been touched. This thing wicked down. Numbers are pending. You know, I think it's good. 2,400. Numbers are still pending. 2,400 here. It's not going to change. Yeah, they were going down for trailings. Still pending out here. 4.8 inflation expectations. And 55.4, a little less than expected, basically, on the consumer sentiment. You know, the market is not moving because it's pretty much nothing surprising. Certainly nothing. It's stable. It's stable around all-time high, and that's good. Bitcoin is doing pretty good. DXY is obviously having a nice move to the opposite field. Wow, look at the Russell 2000s. I care about this because of the altcoins and the cryptos world. So this is where we are, guys. 2,400 bucks here. What does it mean? Well, this is what it means. 1,500 first day for the Ticktick trader, 2,400 second day. We are having 3,900. So we got right now 3,900 starting by tomorrow, which, you know, end of the day, and starting by Monday. That's going to be the drawdown to 3,900, which is great. Which is great. Because we have built that 3,000 needed when your drawdown stops following you. So we have set ourselves in a comfortable position. We only have 2 points, that's right. But if next week we collect 4 and have a loss of 1,500, which is the max loss, I'm setting it right now, guys. I'm setting up right now, look at that. Personal daily max loss 1,500. No more discussion and questions asked. No more negotiation. What do you do when you hit that? You liquidate and block. So you liquidate my position and you block me for the day. 1,500. These accounts are in very good position to play games. Alright, and it's 5 accounts, and that's a $10,000 payout. Beautiful, guys. Are you ready for the giveaways? What's happening in the markets? It's going up. It's going up, guys. Should have been different, right? It's going up. We're slowly getting ready for the giveaways. Oops, there you go. There you go. So I've traded today. Ticktick Trader, Tap 1 Futures, and Savius. All the links can be found in my description area with a coupon code SCRAMBLE pretty much everywhere. Join our Discord as well. Where's the Discord link? Here we get it. That's the Discord, guys. How to participate. Like the video. Be subscribed. Do not guess yet. Like the video, be subscribed. Join Discord. Yeah, you gotta guess the number, but you gotta wait. You gotta guess the number between 0 and 5. First giveaway is for, let me see, because I noted down. First giveaway, what is it gonna be for? Let me think about, what was it for? It was a, you know, Top 1 Futures Simpro account. 25k Simpro. First giveaway. You can start right now, guys. Let me know your numbers. You can start. Come on. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Let me know your numbers. You can start. Let's go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. We got 4 giveaways. So you gotta guess the number between the start and stop, right? If you comment before and after, you're not gonna be accepted. You wanna make sure your comment is between my starting command and stop command. Stop right there, no more guesses. It's over. No more guesses, it's over, guys. The ones that got late, you gotta wait for the next giveaway. This is the first, we're gonna have 3 more. We're gonna shuffle this and spin the wheel. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. We got 16 out of 18 profit today. So really good trading. What is it going to be out there? We got that green number 5. Look at that, guys. Green number 5 coming up soon. That's going to be green number 5. It's going to be number 5. And there you go. The stop pedal functioned nicely. I got a pedal under my desk, guys. Acceleration, you know, with all that stuff, right? No, I'm just joking, of course. Number 5 right there. We're going for the duck race. Congratulations. Duck race. Keep going. We got the list. 38 winners. There's not much. Wow, not many of you trusting it, guys. You got to hear my baby. Just came into the office. Good. Shuffle. Shuffle. And start. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Come on. 25,000 Sim Pro account for Tap 1 Futures. There's 3 more giveaways. Come on. Come on. Who's going to win out here? Who's on the list? Nicholas. There you go. Tommy. Quinn. Zell. You got it. Elliot right there. Who's on the list? You're on the list, Nicholas, right there. Hunt your dreams. 5 seconds to go. Someone is going to speed up. Look at the number 24. Cherry Futures is the winner. We got you, buddy. We got you right there. Congratulations for the account. Sherry Lady. There you go. Number 24 for the winners. Now, whoever starts first, runs nicely, is not finishing, right? There you go. It was certainly there. We have an AI system doing the job, so we got things right. Beautiful. Going to the second giveaway, guys. Another $25,000 giveaway for the Tap 1 Futures. So for those of you that recently joined, you got to do this. Like the video, be subscribed. And then guess the number between 0 and 6. That's all you got to do. You can start. Let me know your numbers, guys. Come on. Good luck, everyone. I see a lot of you are going for number 5 once again. That's it, stop. No more guesses. It's over. This is the second giveaway. Keep that in mind. There's about 30 people that nicely left. That might be only one guy with 30 accounts. You never know. Till you research. Beautiful. So, good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. We're gonna having a double 4, but it's not gonna stop there. We have that green number 3 and we have the blue number 4, but I think we're gonna stop on green number 3, guys. Yeah. Looks like a number 3 here. Looks like it. There you go, number 3 for the winners. Hey. Oh my god. So close, right? Hey. Beautiful. 49. Wow. 49 winners. That's crazy. $49 winners. I'm saying this the 3rd time. Surprised. Everyone is going with that number 3. So let me see what you're capable, guys. 1 minute. Come on. You thought you were alone, right? Might be some bots. I don't know. We gotta take them out. Jay Smith right there in the list, and many other good fellas. Fernandez, there you go. Snows, don't ball. Profit. Babar, you're on the list, buddy. Who else? Matt, are you there? 20 seconds. You gotta speed up. This is for top 1 futures. 5 seconds to go. Someone is gonna speed up. Look at that. It's coming from the top. Akshay. Akshay. There you go. We got the winner. Look at that. This is the top right here. And that's where we are with the next winner. Congratulations, buddy. This is a top 1 futures account. Yeah. Speeding up at the end. Hitting the line. Congratulations. Good job. Beautiful. Let's go to the 3rd giveaway. We got 4. Totally 4. 3rd giveaway. Is for 50,000 Ticktick traders straight to funded plus. For those of you that have country restrictions, do not join the giveaway. You're not going to receive the accounts. Keep that in mind. It makes no sense, right? So, you can start your numbers. Let me know your numbers right now. If you wrote your number before, write it again. You have to write your number between my start command and end command. This is for Ticktick Trader, $50,000 straight to funded plus, and we have 1 more coming after this, because we got 4. Let's go. Come on. Keep running. Keep swimming. Who's going for number 5? I'm wondering who's going for that special number. Or we get a double 3. And we got to stop right there. It's over. No more guesses. There you go. That's it, guys. It's over. No more guesses. We got the stop. We're going to shuffle this, and we're running. There you go. Come on. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Who's going to make it? I see that number yellow 4. I think that's going to be that number 4, guys. We're not going to stop on number 3. I'm so sorry for those of you that went for number 3, because we're not going to stop there. Look at that. And we just crushed for number 4. That's crazy. There you go. Congratulations for winners. So we got number 5, number 3, and now number 4. We don't have any double numbers today. Hey. Oh my god, it was pretty close. Number 4 out there. Let's see who goes. 33 winners. You got a good chance, about 3%, almost 3%. to take the 50 grand account. Start. There you go. Good luck, winners. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Okay. Who's gonna smash this one? We got Trump right there. Look at that. Keep pushing. Then there's one more. Giveaway. 10 seconds to go. Someone is gonna speed up from behind. You don't have to be amongst the first right now. Look at the Marco. Marco with number 1. There you go. It's actually the winner. Number 1 gets the number 1. Congratulations, buddy. There you go. Marco. Congrats, buddy. $50,000 Ticktick Trader account straight to Funded Plus. You gotta reach out to me on Discord. All the winners direct message me on Discord. Congrats. Beautiful. He was already the winner with a number 1. I am not sure about it. Beautiful. Let's get to the last giveaway for today. Last one. For those of you that have joined recently, like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. Let me know your numbers. You can start. Come on. Let's go, guys. This is another $50,000 Ticktick Trader straight to Funded Plus. Nasdaq sitting around 50s. Not bad. We had a massive week trading, back-to-back amazing days, especially for the Ticktick Trader and Tap on Futures as well. Both companies were delivering. Savius was going fine as well, but right now lately, busted. And there you have the stop. No more guesses. It's over. That's it. No more guesses. It's over for the week. For those of you that have joined late, you want to resume on Monday. Monday we got giveaways coming up. Good luck. We're going to shuffle once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times, and we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Go some cherry picking out here. So we had number 5, number 4, and number 3. That's what we had today. I think so. We got that double 2. We're not going to cross that, guys. It's going to be number 2. I'm telling you from right now. It's going to be number 2. We're not going to cross that blue 2. Look at that. There you go. I told you. Congrats, winners. Beautiful. You got a number 2. So we've got unique numbers today on the draw. Beautiful. We got Henrik. Every time the result comes out, on every live stream, he's putting the number. You had 0. Pretty close to that, but we got a double 2. If we would have had a double 0 there, you would have been fine. You're lucky Abu is not here, guys. Imagine if he would be here. You would have no chances. 25. He had 1 in a million chance to win in the form he won. And he made it, right? 1 in a billion he had, so he made it, guys. 2 times in a row guessing the number on the wheel, also winning the duck race out of a bunch of players. So think about it. If he's not making money with those accounts that are having a bunch of luck behind, he's deserving a punishment. He's deserving a punishment, guys. He needs to put out a course. He needs to put out a course. He needs to make a coaching program about it. 15 seconds to go. Look at that. Somebody's speeding up already. That green little boy. Chappie. You get it, bro. Number 6 right there. You are on the list. You dropped me a message on Discord for the winner. We got 2 chappies. Look at that. So we got this chappie. And we also have this chappie, right? We got 2 chappies. Is that a double account usage? We're going all-time high. We're going to verify, guys. Thank you, Badger. Once again, Badger, you've been with us here a lot. You delivered today much better than the markets. You delivered the numbers, which is important. Good job, fellas. Have a happy weekend. Have a happy day. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy the upcoming days. Thank you so much for watching. Relax. Peace. And watch the Nasdaq on the all-time highs. That's a good one. Looking forward to it on Monday. Have a lovely day. A lovely weekend. And we talk to you soon.